You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly, this verb. Two different ways, two different pronunciations in English are used and correct. If you want to learn more vocabulary, by the way, stay tuned. I've got more videos you can listen to. Deify is the British English pronunciation, deify, deify. Or in American English, it's also pronounced as deify, deify, deify or deify, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.